Who is the driver?
Is my man.
Your man?
Yes.
Hi everyone, I'm SP Josephine Ade, the FCT Police Command Public Relation Officer. Like you all know, FCT residents, we've been battling with issues of one chance activities within the FCT. And the Commissioner of Police have charged all the divisional police officers to ensure that they bring end to one chance activities. That brings us to these suspects you see here. They are 5-man gang. Presently, there are 4 suspects here, which are couples. It will interest you to know that these particular syndicates are couples, husband and wife, or rather, will I say, boyfriend and girlfriend. They are into one chance activities since 2020. So on Saturday, the 4th of July 2026, we received a distress call that a certain young lady was being abducted by this particular gang. And our CP tracking units started tracking the phone of the victim that was being used to contact the family. And luckily for us, they collected the sum of 8.8 million and released the suspect. But we still continue tracking this suspect. And on Sunday, which was the 6th of July 2026, we now arrested the whole syndicate, recovered this 8.8 million naira that was taken from this victim. They will tell you they pick mostly women because women don't struggle. Let's hear from the suspects themselves.
My name is Nigerianpolitics. We dey do one chance work. We live in Niger State. On Monday, we carry one girl from Matama and we collected ransom of 8.8 million. We are 5, but we are 4 here now.
How many people have carried so far?
We have carried, she is the 5th one.
She is the 5th one.
Yes,
so list the how much you now collect from all these victims.
Okay, the first one is 500,000. The second one don't have money. The third one is 1.5. And the fourth one is 2 million naira.
Then this 5th one is how much?
8.8.
8.8 million.
Yes.
So it seems you carry only women. Why?
Because they are not struggling.
So you only carry women at the park, or where we now they carry them?
It's along road.
Along?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't go to the park?
No, ma'am.
Why?
I don't know. It's the driver.
Who is the driver? Your boyfriend?
Yes.
Who is the driver?
It's my man.
Your man?
Yes.
And who drives the car?
It's him.
And the police arrested you with 2 vehicles?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you use the 2 vehicles for?
I use one for the one chance.
So one is for the one chance, then the other is una personal car.
Yes, ma'am.
So these two, they are boyfriend and girlfriend?
Yes, ma'am.
And they are your members?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.